This is a demo where we will install an e-learning system based on Moodle with Apache, MySQL, and PHP on a Debian 12. This installation will be carried out unattended using the Ansible tool. Firstly, we will install a virtual machine to carry out the installation. This deployment is made for Debian machine. We will use Debian 12. The installation will be minimal and we will only select the basic and SSH package. It is a normal installation where we will follow the usual steps. We will select system language, system installation disk, and repositories, as we would in any other installation. Now, we will name the machine in our example. We call it Debian. We will create a user called test with a password test, and we will also set the password root test. This has been done for practical purposes only. It is a simplification of the installation. That is not at all recommended in a final installation. Once the installation is finished, we can connect to the machine through an SSH client, such as putty. We will enter as the test user and then we will change to root. We will only need to install the Ansible package using the apt command. In the vars folder, inside the Ansible test folder, we will see the vars file. We will edit it and change the user to the one we created in our virtual machine. Remember that it was a test. Now we return to the window of our putty that we have opened. As a root, we will go to the folder that we had copied previously and we will execute the installation command. What's going on? First, install packages on Debian, such as vim or htop. After that, install Apache and the setting config files. After that, PHP package. After that, connect the GitHub repository and copy Moodle files in temp folder. After that, move files to current location and give the current permissions. The process could be slow. Be patient. Once copy is ended, delete the temporary directory. We create the Moodle data directory. We create the database, the access users, permissions on the database, and we run the unattended installation of Moodle. Finally, we configure the IP server and check the current installation of Moodle in a browser. Now we will describe the folder that contains the installation in Ansible. The main file is site.yaml. This calls the other package installation files, such as Git, MySQL, Apache, or previously task. The variables we use are located in the vars folder. In the roles folder, we have the installation of the MySQL and Apache packages. Finally, in the handlers folder, we have the process launches of the end of the installation, such as restarted Apache.